Aloka was a stray dog in India. He was a stray dog in India, and then he found us walking in India. When we walk in that team, have him, me, and Ajahn right here, 3 of us in that team, walking in India for 112 days. He found us on day 6, Kolkata Airport. Kolkata Airport, India. And then he followed us. After he followed for a while, and I think that many dogs following us, but they drop out for a couple hours or 2 or 3 days. They drop out, cannot keep up with us. But only him, even though I lost him so many times, and I be able to find him, and he be able to find us.
Oh wow.
And so I named him Aloka, means light. I want him to find the light of wisdom, to liberate all kind of suffering, to attain nirvana. That's what it means when I name him Aloka. And then after the journey, 112 days, I decided, I think that he deserves better. If I let him go back to his place or Bodh Gaya where the Bodhi tree is, then he's just gonna become a stray dog again. But he already completed 106 days of walking with us, and he went to all the sacred sites, meet with a lot of people. So he deserved better. And I call home to Fort Worth, Texas, to my members, and I say, I want to bring Aloka home. And they actually didn't ask a word. They say, okay. And then they start cooking to fundraise. They fundraise for Aloka for $14,000.
Wow.
And then I be able to do all kind of paperwork and vaccinations and airplane ticket for him to go to JFK in New York for quarantine. 28 days quarantine in New York. And after 28 days, my master and I and one of the members flew there and then rent a vehicle and take him back to Fort Worth. And now he is U.S. citizen. And this is his second journey of walking. So during these days, he kind of tired. We put him on the RV, but he cries every time when we put him up into the RV. He doesn't want to stay in the RV. He wants to walk.
Wow.
That is the story of Aloka. And now he's spoiled because all of you love him so much.